Amortization and depreciation. Same idea, different word. And that one word costs students marks every single exam season. In the next 3 minutes, you will never mix them up again. Here is the thing. Both words describe the same job. You bought something expensive. It will help you earn money for years. So you spread its cost across those years, instead of dumping it all into 1 month. That is it. The only real difference? What kind of asset you are spreading. Let me show you. Picture a small delivery business. The owner buys a van for 6,000 dinars. That van is going to run for 5 years. Now, is the whole 6,000 an expense the day he buys it? No. It would wreck that month's profit and flatter every month after. So we spread it. 6,000 divided by 5 years equals 1,200 a year. That yearly slice is depreciation. And notice why we call it that. The van is a physical thing. You can touch it, dent it, and it genuinely wears out. Tangible asset, wearing out over time. That word is depreciation. Hold on to that. So what does the entry look like? Debit depreciation expense, 1,200. Credit accumulated depreciation, 1,200. Notice we never touch the van account itself. The van stays on the books at 6,000 and accumulated depreciation sits underneath it, growing each year. That gap is the carrying value. Got that? Good, because the next part builds right on it. Now the same business buys accounting software. A 3-year license, costing 900 dinars. Ask yourself, does software rust? Does it get scratched? No. You cannot touch it at all. But it still gives value for exactly 3 years, then the license dies. So we spread it the same way. 900 divided by 3 equals 300 a year. Identical logic, identical maths. Only the word changes. Because the asset is intangible, we call it amortization. Licenses, patents, trademarks, goodwill, software. Nothing physical, but a real cost with a real life. The entry mirrors the van almost exactly. Debit amortisation expense, 300. Credit accumulated amortization, 300. See it? The van went down in value, the license went down in value. Same treatment to different words. And in real month-end work, both of these run as standing monthly journals, so nobody forgets them in the closing rush. So, one rule to carry out of here. If you can touch it, you depreciate it. If you cannot, you amortize it. The van, 1,200 a year. The license, 300 a year. Same spreading, same debit expense credit accumulated shape, only the label changes with the asset. Say it once tonight and it will stick for your exam and for your first month-end close. You are doing great. This one trips up almost everyone at first, and you have just cleared it in 3 minutes. Best wishes for your next paper and your next closing. Coming up next, we break down accumulated depreciation and how carrying value actually shows on the balance sheet.